Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time visiting, thank you for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you as well. You guys keep the channel rocking and rolling. So in today's video, we're going to plant some Titan sunflower seeds in 5-gallon buckets. But first, we have to fill the buckets. Let's get started. So these are my 5-gallon food grade buckets, and in these two buckets we had to drill some drainage holes, so we went ahead and did that. Next, we're going to add some all-purpose potting soil into the containers. We want it to be flooded to the point where it's running out of the bottom. And then once it stops running out, we're going to add a little bit more soil to them and then actually do the planting. Okay, we're going to dig a hole like we do with all our plantings. We're going to go down to the 4 knuckles here. We have our go-to fertilizer mixture, bone meal, blood meal, a little general purpose tomato fertilizer, and we're going to drop a handful in each hole. And we're going to mix this in. Now these are Titan sunflowers, and we started them about 2.5 weeks ago, maybe, inside, and we're just going to pop them out. And put one there. One here, and as you can see, they look real good. And we're going to put the third one here. Now the fourth one we're going to pot up and give to my mother-in-law. So we have them sitting in the hole. We're going to backfill, press down. So the reason for adding or pre-moistening the soil is to give them a jump start. So that way when I do get ready to water them after this, I won't have to water as much. And just like that, we have our 3 sunflowers planted. We're going to give them another drink and then pot up the remaining one for my mother-in-law. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this quick project, potting up some Titan sunflower seeds. I'll put some information on the screen about the Titan. This is my first attempt at growing it, and hopefully I will be successful at it. I know as a kid growing up, I always was fascinated by sunflowers. And I love the taste of them, and I like how big they tend to get. So hopefully I'll be able to replicate that. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Question for you all: are you guys in love with sunflowers as much as I am? If not sunflowers, what other kind of flower from your childhood are you enamored with? Leave me a comment. I'm interested to know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God. For without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.